Start by setting the bowl in place and securing it so you can work alone with confidence. Place the bowl over the flange bolts and set it straight. Then press down evenly to compress the wax ring and rock the bowl slightly front to back to seat it. Use a wooden block and mallet if you need to nudge it without cracking the porcelain. Once seated, hand thread the two nuts onto the bolts and tighten them alternately by hand until the bowl is snug. Then use a wrench to tighten a quarter turn at a time on each side, checking for level and ensuring the bowl does not rock. If flange height is low, use a flange spacer or two wax rings stacked with a proper gasket to avoid leaks and keep the flange parallel to the bowl. Place retention washers or use bolt caps as alignment aids, so the bolts do not shift while you lift and set the tank later. Before installing the tank, dry fit the tank to bowl gasket on the tank outlet and make sure the tank bolts move freely through the holes so you can insert them from above with minimal twisting. Keep a container or rag under the bowl opening to catch any small spills when you attach the supply line and run a final hand-only check for snugness around nuts and washers. Common mistakes include over-tightening the bowl bolts, which can crack the porcelain, so tighten incrementally and stop when the bowl is immobile and level. Using only one wax ring when the flange sits below floor level, so stack wax rings, or use a thicker wax ring in that case. Another frequent issue is cross-threading the tank bolts, which causes leaks and stripped threads, so start bolts by hand and ensure smooth engagement before using tools. Finally, people forget to hand-tighten gaskets and then use heavy tool force, which distorts seals. Compress gaskets by hand first and finish with small turns of a wrench or screwdriver for even compression. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors who can assist with installations or offer guidance when you choose to work alone. We also support contractors looking for work and host a discussion community where we, our neighbors, and professionals share tips, troubleshooting advice, and project photos.